Hey y'all, so I'm trying something. You can remember, this is that bed. I'll try to show you a better angle. This is that bed where I planted those watermelon plants, and then I said, why did I do that? That this is not a good spot. Well, I've just pulled them out. I'm gonna try to rehome them somewhere. Don't know where yet. I might try to give them away. But anyway, I am going to try to put some bush beans over here in their spot. I'm just kind of amending the soil. It probably doesn't need it because the watermelon were just in here, but you know, just for kicks and giggles. You know how we do, kicks and giggles. I'm gonna see if I can grow some green beans, bush beans, whatever you call them, in this raised bed. I'm gonna put a lot in here too. This I got enough square footage for quite a bit. So yeah, that's what we're doing out here in these gardening streets on this already hot but beautiful morning. All I did was put some um, granular fertilizer, some all-purpose fertilizer, and some bone meal, and I'm gonna get to work. Oh, and this is over here where this is in Tomato Trail, in case you were wondering. I'm gonna got a lot of these. So I'm gonna do these Royal Burgundy Bush, and these are very old seeds right here. So I'm gonna sow these very heavy, and these are some Blue Lake Bush. Ooh, sweat. Just dig a little hole. I'm gonna drop 2 seeds in. We're just gonna see what happens. Okay, I'll take the rest of these to my niece. See if she wants to grow some. Wow, that was perfect. That was perfect. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 uh, royal burgundy bush and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blue lake bush. That's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. Covering them up. And I'm hoping for a really good fall crop of green beans. I love fresh green beans. I could eat them sauteed in the olive oil on the stove, or I could eat them boiled down the great old southern way. But either way, that's it. The bush beans are planted. Y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm back. It's a little later in the day. Had to take a break, fill some orders in the house, and go to a friend's party. But now I'm back, getting ready to plant this second round of bell peppers. Remember those bell pepper plants that I got from Plant and See on their 48th anniversary sale? Well, I'm getting ready to put 2 of those. I gave some of them away to some of my gardening mentees so that they can grow some peppers. And I am going to plant 2. I'm going to plant 2 in this 7-gallon grow bag. I have 2 left, and so that they don't go to waste, they're going in here. All right, I'll prop y'all up so that y'all can follow me as I do this. Can y'all see? Okay, so I'm gonna amend the soil a little bit with some all-purpose fertilizer. Sit you over there for a second. This is some soil from some of the potatoes that were harvested a couple of weeks ago. So just putting, not much, put a little bit of all-purpose. And in that all-purpose mix is some bone meal. I'm gonna put some blood meal in here, add a nitrogen boost. And to show you, I'm just kind of working it in to the soil. There's Dre and his chickens. And now I'm going to Matt is barking because he thinks he owns the cul-de-sac, and he doesn't. We can't convince him that he doesn't own it. But in each hole, I'm gonna sprinkle some more of that fertilizer mix. Ooh, y'all hear that? I'm getting ready to get my butt in the hails. So then I'm gonna just take between my two fingers and squeeze out that plant. See, still has a nice root system. Not root bound at all, but I still kind of tease it a little bit. And I put some more of the fertilizer around the root ball, and then I take it and I drop it in to the hole that I just dug. Can y'all see that? And then I fill in the space around it, tuck it in nice, make sure it's stable, and there she is, first one in. All right, I'll bring y'all back once I finish getting them all in. Well, it ain't but two, but I'll bring y'all back. All right, and there you have it. Now I'm watering them in. It took me all of 10 minutes to plant these two plants. And hopefully we're gonna get some bell pepper here in about a month or two. That look like that. Or the one over there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So, planted beans today. We planted bell pepper today. I went over and helped my niece plant her beans and her bell pepper plant. She had already planted her sweet potato. Go Rolanda. Yeah. So, all in a day's work, y'all. But it'll be worth it. I'll keep y'all posted on how this goes. Okay? Y'all stay tuned. Y'all hear that thunder? I'm about to go in the house because Grandma said, where there's thunder, there is lightning, whether you see the lightning or not. That's thunder. All right, y'all stay tuned.